Now, are you all wondering what I'm doing in the alleyway that leads to the door of my house? Well, I made these homemade newspapers. And you know how everyone's stuck at home? Well, as it says in the newspaper on the very first page, you are one of the 5 lucky people in the neighborhood to get this. I mean, I haven't given them to anyone yet, so I'm going to give them to people. I'm just going to slide it in their door and go back to my house, grab another, and do that 5 times because I made 5 copies. 5 lucky people in my neighborhood. I'll post the pictures of what it has inside of these in the end, or at least inside of the best copy. And, I mean, these are hard times. Why not give 5 people a big smile because I can't make, like 30 copies. Oh, and shout out to my neighbor, Mrs. Shirley Gray. She helped me make 2 of the copies. And that was a huge help because I was starting to run out of paper and I was starting to wonder if I would, run out of them while I was on like the second or last page on one of the newspapers. So we're just gonna go walk around the neighborhood, select a house, put it in, come back and grab another one of the 5. And the reason she's not getting a copy is because she already has one of the first copies. So, yep. And the reason I'm doing it like going back and forth is because, you see, if someone sees me with all of them, if I get found, like it's easier for me to get found if I'm carrying all of them at once because then it's one full trip. If it's a lot of small trips, there's a less chance someone will see me and know who I am. I want it to be a secret. Shh, don't tell anyone. No, actually, I know the power of the comment section. Don't tell anyone, please. Friend is Adam's house. He's awesome too. Leave a shout out for him too. Shout out to him here. Yes, I'm wearing a mask because of the coronavirus I'm enjoying. And I'm gonna come back tomorrow. And I'm going to check the doors that I dropped off the papers at. And, if they're gone, that means someone either picked them up or a squirrel came in and decided to use it for his nest. Now, I mean, I don't want to make you guys just watch me walk around doing this, sliding papers in through people's doors. So what I'm going to do is we're going to stop here. You guys can see it now, the pages in one of them, every page. And I'm going to go distribute the rest of these and tell me how it was in the comments section and if you think this is a good idea. I'll see you guys later.